I'm not holding the beer. I think I'll wipe out. But yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Whenever you're ready, guys. Oh, shit. Come on. Hey.
Careful, I don't want any memory on here.
Hey, the David scene. 1, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, I'm about to rip the tires off this motherfucker's jaw.
Get him back here! Get my shooter back over here!
I was almost out of gas. Going for 10,000 years. This will make the video rate 10,000 years. Stephanie's driveway.
No, we're gonna go!